Hello everyone, welcome to Olive Board and very good afternoon to all of you guys. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So, chalo, then let's start with our class. Now, one very important announcement that I wanted to make. First of all, we all know, I say this every day, these are all basic classes that we are conducting targeted towards the beginners, whoever is beginning his preparations. Okay, whoever is beginning his preparation for the SSC and railway examinations, these classes are for them. Okay, now as I told you guys, weekly we are having, every day we are having the conceptual classes, and we have started with the chapter time and work. We have started with time and work, and I told you guys every week on Fridays we're trying to conduct a practice session on these classes. Okay, that there will be a practice session on these particular classes, but that particular, so that is also that will also be 100% free, but that will be conducted on the app, on the Olive Board app itself. So you guys are welcome to join the app. Please download the Olive Board app and just register, and you will be seeing the free classes there. The link will be provided in the description and the comment section as well. Okay, so for this week the practice session is tomorrow. The practice session is tomorrow, that is the 17th of January. 17th January. Okay, so whatever we have done, till now, so we have completed MDH concept. So different types of questions based on MDH type, and today onwards we'll start basics, the very basics of efficiency based questions. Okay, so we'll do today only, we'll do the basics of efficiency based problems. We'll understand how efficiency and time works. So whatever we have covered, whatever we'll cover, like we have already covered, and whatever we will cover till today, so there will be a complete practice session of an hour or so on the app. So what we'll do on that particular practice session, we'll take all the PYQs. So we'll take PYQs from different examinations. So definitely CGL, CHSL, CPO, RRBs, the NTPC and everything. So we will take PYQs from those examinations and we will practice. We'll understand the best method to solve those particular questions, how we can practice in a better manner. So that is what we are going to do exactly. But rest be assured, so those questions, the practice session also, that we will start from basics. It is not like we have done this, so like I'll just keep on giving you shortcuts only. No. So we'll understand first, then definitely if there is any way to solve that in a shorter manner, if there is any shortcut possible, so you will have a discussion around that question as well. Okay, so that is the exact the plan for these classes. Okay, so don't worry, next week also we'll do the same. So we'll continue with time and work, we'll complete time and work most probably by next week. So we'll conduct a practice session on complete time and work next week as well. Okay, but the questions we'll cover tomorrow in the tomorrow's practice session. Definitely that won't be there in the next practice session. Perfect. So that makes sense to everybody. So this is the basic planning for us. This is the basic plan. Now let us move into today's topic. So first of all, let me have some introduction. Let us understand a few things here. Let us understand a very few things over here. What is this? So what is the relationship between efficiency and time? So I have had a discussion, very short discussion around this, but let's understand in a comprehensive manner. So let's understand by taking an example. So it is for absolute beginners, right? So for example, so I generally prefer to take that Good Day biscuit example. So there is a packet of Good Day biscuit, 10 rupee packet, right? That's the best SKU for them. So 10 rupee Good Day packet. So now there are two persons. One person is A, another person's name is B. Now this particular person A can eat, or the efficiency of eating the biscuit of A, meaning how fast A can eat the biscuit is, say two biscuits, per minute. So meaning A can eat two biscuits in a minute. Similarly for B, that efficiency is 3 biscuits a minute. Okay. Now again, please understand this. Please understand this. So meaning, so good day biscuits. So A is eating 2 biscuits per minute. B can eat 3 biscuits per minute. This is what we call efficiency. Meaning whatever is the rate of like at which they are doing the work. Here what is the work? Here work is eating. Here the particular work is eating. So this is the rate at which they can eat the biscuits. That will be your efficiency in this particular case. That is what is called efficiency. Okay. Now please understand one thing. How is this efficiency related to time? Now say if this good day packet has, say I'm considering 6 biscuits. This 10 rupee packet is having 6 biscuits. Right? Now you understand one thing. So A will take how much? A will take how much time to complete this whole packet? You will say that A is eating 2 biscuits per minute. So in order to complete 6 biscuits, A will take, say, 6 divided by 2, that means 3 minutes. So meaning, sir, A will take 3 minutes to complete eating the whole packet. Similarly, what about B? So B is eating 3 biscuits a minute. So for 6 biscuits, B will take 6 divided by 3, that is 2 minutes. Right? So that means B will take 2 minutes of time to completely eat that particular packet of biscuit. Now you see one very interesting thing that is happening. What was the efficiency of efficiency ratio of A and B? You will say, sir, A and B, the efficiency ratio, if I take, efficiency was, sir, 2 biscuits a minute and 3 biscuits a minute. So sir, the ratio was nothing but 2:3. And if you take a look at the time ratio, sir, it is exactly the opposite side. It is 3:2. Again, please understand this. This is the main and very important concept of time and work. Please understand this. What is happening? Sir, if whatever is the ratio of efficiency, the exact opposite or inverse will be the ratio of time. Again, if the ratio of efficiency is 2:3, then the time ratio will be 3:2. Why? Because definitely if you apply some common sense, the better you do the work, the less time you take. The better you at this particular work. Say if your speed is more, let's take this example of solving. Say if your speed is more, so for you to complete the CGL paper, I'm just taking CGL as an example. To complete the CGL quant portion or the complete CGL paper, so definitely whoever is having higher speed, that person will complete quicker, meaning that person will take less amount of time. So meaning whenever efficiency goes up, time goes down. Whenever efficiency goes up, time goes down, and vice versa. Whenever efficiency goes down, time actually goes up. So always remember, so efficiency and time, how are they related? They are related in, you can say, inversely. So efficiency is always related to 1 by time. Right? Or rather, this is not a very mathematical way to understand. Rather, you understand or remember it like this. So whatever is the efficiency ratio, sir, opposite will be 1 by time ratio. Sir, opposite will be the ratio of the time they will take. Whatever is this ratio of efficiency, exact opposite will be the ratio of time. So that is the basic concept upon which this entire chapter of time and work is dependent. That is the most basic concept upon which this entire chapter is dependent. So if you are a beginner, I hope this is something you guys are getting. This is very, very simple thing. Very, very simple thing. Okay. So this is something you must understand before you start doing any type of questions regarding this efficiency method or LCM method, as we call it. Efficiency method as we call it. Right? Now, let's understand a few questions. Let's understand this. So, let us take this question. Okay? Now, you understand this. The ratio of efficiencies of A, B and C, okay, is 2:5:3. Okay, perfect. Working together, they can complete a work in 27 days. Okay. So B and C together can complete 4/9 part of work in how many days? That is there in the option. It's a CGL 2018 pre-question. Very, very simple. Good afternoon. Vikshit. Very, very good afternoon, brother. Very, very good afternoon. Okay. So we are learning from absolute basic. And please watch the previous part if possible, brother. So whatever we're learning for the past 4 classes, including this one. So we will conduct a practice session on that tomorrow on the app. Okay, same time. It will be on 2 p.m. only. So it will be completely free. Don't worry, it is completely free. What you just need to do is install the app, register, and definitely you can watch attend the live session. That will be a complete practice session, where we'll be doing only PYQs on the topics that we have already covered. So what my request will be is just watch the 4 classes, including this one once, where you can do it 1.25x, 1.5x. Just watch it, understand the concepts, and come to that class to practice. You will get a good practice. That I can ensure. Okay, now coming back to this. Very, very simple stuff. Ratio of efficiency of A, B and C is given as this. So that means, can I say, very simple logic. Time and work. So one tip I can give you in any kind of time and work question is to, you just go with the story. So time and work is very story based problems. So that means there are many things that will be happening in critical questions. So what you need to do, what your approach needs to be is, just go with that particular story. Just go with that particular story. So whatever story is given, just go with that. So A, B and C, they are having some ratio. So the efficiency ratio is given. So let's take efficiencies only now from there. Efficiencies only from there. So sir, can I say the efficiency of A is 2 units per day? Per day I'm taking, because the unit of time over here is day. Sir, what about B? B is, sir, 5 units. That is also per day. Sir, what about C? Sir, this is 3 units per day, because that is the basic ratio. So 2:5:3. That is why we are taking this. Simple. Now, once I told you guys this, so now you understand working together. What does this particular phrase means? Meaning all of them are working together. Now, if they all work together, what will happen to their efficiency? You will say, sir, efficiency, can we think like this? If they are working, all of them are working together, A will do its own 2 units, B will do its own 5 units, C will do its own 3 units. Meaning per day, if they are working together, they will complete 5 plus 3 plus 2, so 10 units on their own, because all of them are working together now. Now. So this is what they are working per day. But please understand, we need the total work only from here. We need our total work, as we learned in the last 3 classes, right? So Vikshit has given us some answer. Let's see Vikshit if your answer is correct. So sir, can I say total work is, sir, they are working 10 units. They are doing 10 units every day, and they are taking 27 days to complete. So total work must be then this 10 into, so they are doing 10 units daily for 27 days. So that is the total work, that many units. Now they are asking what? They are asking 4/9 parts of this must be done. 4/9 parts of this must be done, meaning the total work is now this into 4/9. That must be done. Now by whom? So B and C together they will will do this part. This work will be done by B and C together. So how many days will they take? So total work I know, and B and C they are doing 5 plus 3 sir 8 units per day. 5 plus 3 8 units per day, that is their efficiency. So these many units they need to do. How much time they will take? Sir, divided by 8. So that many days only they will take. So do the calculation a little bit, sir. 9 threes are this, 4 twos are this, 2 fives are this. Sir, 15 days is the answer. So big, like Vikshit was absolutely correct. Vikshit was option 2, 15 days. So Vikshit, brother, you were absolutely correct. Perfect, everyone. See, it's a very, very, very simple question. It is a very, very, very simple. We are understanding. Please understand, we are not using any shortcuts. Yes, if you want, you can say, if you are someone who is a little bit intermediate to advanced student, you will say, sir, this is 10 into 20. So total is 2 plus 5 plus 3, 10 units into, sir, 27. Total work divided by, total how much they are doing, sir? 5 plus 3, B and C, 8. And total 4 by 9th of the total work, so multiply 4 by 9. That is your answer. So you can do it in a single line as well. But please understand, you can only do this logically if you understand how these things work, if you understand the process. So it's when you are beginning, when you are starting out, it's important to go a little bit slowly to understand each and every minute details of the question. Perfect. Next question. Next question. Very, very similar question again from a CGL paper 2018. So last question was from 2018. This is also from 2018, and in fact the ratios are also same. Sir, A is a 2 units, B is a 5 units, C is a 3 units. That is for, this is for sir A, this is for sir B, this is for sir C. Right? So we can simply say this. Now, working together, they can complete a task in say 12 days. Achha, now let's pick up a speed a little bit. So what will be the total work? Sir, what will be the total work, sir? Total work will be said. So working together, again this phrase is there, meaning all of them are working together. So on his own, A will do 2 units, B will do 5 units, 3 will do 3 units in one particular day. So total they will do, sir, 5 plus 2 plus 3, that is 10 units. So they will do 10 units, that is in one day. But to complete the work, they are taking how many days, sir? 12 days. So if they want, in one day they are doing 10 units, in 12 days they will do, sir, this many units. In 12 days, sir, they will do these many units. So let us write it down like this. So 10 into 12, these many total units. That is what they will totally do. Now, what they are asking, like Vikshit has again given us some answer. Let's see, Vikshit. 30% of this work now someone needs to do. So first of all, then the total work becomes what? 30% of what this is. So 30% means what? So 30% means 3 by 10 of total work. The meaning is 10 into 12. That was our total work. 30% of the work is this much. This much is needed to be completed. Now who will complete this? Sir, A alone. How many days A alone can complete this? Sir, A is doing how many units, sir, per day? A is doing, sir, 2 units per day. And A needs to do how many units, sir? This many units. So, sir, how much time will A take, sir? Divide by 2. Because A is doing 2 units every day, so these many units, this by 2. So, sir, done. 10, 10, gone, 2, 6 are this. So, 6 3s are 18 days is coming out as the answer. Vikshit, a little bit of problem, I guess. Brother, there is one simple problem, I guess, in the calculation. Not 20, brother, it will be 18. Option number 4. Option number 4, 18 will be the correct answer. 18 will be the correct answer. So, yes, it's okay. I always say this. Again, in my live classes also, I always say this. Remember one thing. Remember one thing. It is always better to make the mistake in the classes. Why? Because generally human psychology works in this manner. If you made a mistake in your live class, so very small chances, or in mathematical terms, very small probability is there you will repeat the same mistake in the actual exam. Because whenever you are making the same mistake, like something will get stuck. No, I made the same mistake in the class. So it is always better to make some mistakes in classes so that you don't make it in the exam. Okay. Yes. Because please understand, human mind actually works like this. So if I made a mistake in front of everybody, so that is there in your subconscious mind. So you will never repeat. So more chances are there, you will never repeat that mistake. It's very, very important. It is very, very important. Okay. So I always say this because, and if you make a mistake in the class, nobody is blaming you, right? Everybody, every human being makes mistakes. So it's absolutely okay. And it's a good thing you made a mistake here. So so that you don't repeat that. Now, next question. Let's understand this. 2020 CGL question. So I guess all the questions I've taken mostly of CGL today. To do a certain work, efficiencies of A and B are in the ratios. So A and B efficiency I know. Now understand this. Very simple question. Sir, 7 means A efficiency of A. Can I take 7 units per day? And efficiency of B, sir, can I take that as 5 units per day? Correct? Because that is given 7:5. Now again, sir, working together, they can complete in 17 whole 1/2, meaning, simple meaning 35 by 2 days. 35 by 2 days or 17.5 days, right? Working together, again this phrase, you see everybody, practice, this is what practice is. You will see every question they are using the same language, same template type language. So working together means that they are working together. A will do 7 units of his own, B will do 5 units of his own, total they will do 12 units of their own. Now that is for one day. Every day they are doing this. So total they are doing it for how many days? 35.5 days. So 35 by 2 days. So total work, can I say then TW, total work is this? Sir, absolutely. So this is 2 6 at this. So 35 times 6 units. Now please understand, be smart here. Be smart here, do not multiply. You might be very good in multiplication. Please don't. Why will you give that extra 2 seconds? Because I know I need to divide. Every question we're dividing last in the end. So why I'll multiply, then again I'll divide. Keep it like this. Now what they're saying, in how many days B alone will complete 50%. 50% means half. So that means B needs to complete how much? Sir, B needs to complete half of this, meaning whatever is this total work, B needs to do, sir, half of this. And B is doing it. So what? So number of days will be how much? Number of days. So B is doing. So divided by B's efficiency, that is 5, sir. B's efficiency is 5. Why? Because please understand, B is doing 5 units of work every day. One day B is doing 5 units. B needs to do these many units. How much time will he take? Like divided by 5. So chalo, this is 3, 5 7s are this, at 7 3s are 21 days. 7 3s are 21 days, sir. Option number 4. Fikshit, you forgot to do this 50%. Brother, you forgot to do this 50%. Right? This 50% was there. This 50% logic was there. You must need to consider that. So my answer will be 21 but not 42. Please keep this in mind. Perfect. Perfect, everyone. Absolutely clear this. Absolutely clear how we are approaching the questions, how we are approaching the problems. Very, very simple questions. No difficult question I've taken. Because in these classes we have definitely like the agenda here is to make the beginners understand everything from scratch. It should not be like we are going too fast in order to complete the syllabus too early. Okay, for that we have our live classes, paid courses and everything. Okay, Gautam is also saying perfect. Chalo, perfect. Now let's do one last question of the day. One last question from 2023. One last question from 2023 where we'll understand ki what is the LCM method and everything. Okay, let's see. Please read the question. Arti can type 85 pages in 10 hours. And Arti and Beena together can type 500 pages in 40 hours. Please understand, these are all precursors to LCM method, which we'll learn on the next week. Okay, so this is just, I'm preparing everyone to learn that. So please understand this. So always understand one thing. So either in efficiency based questions of time and work, either they can give you the question like this, ki the ratio of efficiency is this, or they can give you directly the efficiency. You see, it is given, the ratio is given or the efficiency number is given. Both are the same thing, no? Because even if they are giving us 7:5, at the end of the day, we are saying what? We are saying, hey, this is 7 and this is 5 only. So ultimately, where like ratio is given or the particular value is given, it doesn't matter. They are actually giving us the value. Or they can use this language, ki they can do this much in this many time. Meaning, you understand the good day biscuit example, that from where we have started. So either they can, I can say ki you, like say for example, V for Vikshit. Vikshit can eat 2 biscuits a minute. I can give you this. So that means efficiency of Vikshit is 2 biscuits per minute. Or I can say, you see, I can represent the same thing by saying Vikshit can eat 10 biscuits in 5 minutes. You understand my point. Understand the traps here. So you see, ultimately both are actually there to kind of give you the same thing. Both are actually giving you efficiencies only. This is giving you directly, this is giving you directly, and this is saying, bhai, do your own calculation. Do your own calculation. You need to do one extra line of calculation. That's the only difference like in these two statements. Please understand this. So that means if Arti can type 85 pages in 10 hours, so that means they are actually giving us the efficiencies. They are actually giving us the efficiency. Of whom? Of Arti. I'm writing A. So that is how much? Sir, 85 pages by 10 hours. Because 10 efficiency means what? Every hour how much Arti can do. So 10 hours is like she is doing 85 pages, 1 hour 85 by 10. So sir, 8.5 pages per hour. So that is the efficiency of A. Now comes the second scenario. Arti and Beena now they are working together. They are completing 500 pages in 40 hours. So that means their combined efficiency, Arti plus Beena, is how much, sir? Sir, 500 pages divided by 40 hours, because 40 hours 500, 1 hour 500 by 40. Simple unitary method. Sir, this is very simple. 25 and a half. 25 and a half. So 2 2s are this, 25. So you can simply write, say, 12 and a half pages per hour. Now from these two information, you see, can you tell me what is the value of B or what is the efficiency of Beena? What is the efficiency of Beena? Sir, both of them are working, when they are working together, they are like doing 12 and a half pages per hour. Now, among those 12 and a half pages, Arti can do 8 and a half. So that means the remaining part who is doing? So remaining part must like Beena be doing. That means 12 and a half, out of that 8 and a half is being done by Arti. So sir, Beena is doing how much, sir? Whatever is remaining, so just do the subtraction. So that is, sir, 4 pages an hour. You see, we got the efficiency of Beena. Now, whatever they want to ask us, we'll say this is our answer. Take ke marenge, right? How much time Beena will take to type 440 pages? Now we will say, sir, Beena is doing 4 pages in 1 hour. Sir, 40 pages Beena will take how much hours, sir? Divide this by 4. So 10 pages in 1 hour. So 4 pages in 1 hour, 40 pages in how many hours, sir? 10 hours. That is my answer. That is my answer. That, have I made any mistake? 48. 1 second. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry. Extremely. I don't know. Last में क्या कर दिया मैंने? Extremely. Like 4 pages an hour, 40, they will take like more time. No, that will take more time. That, but 1 second, 1 second, 40 pages. No, absolutely. Why I'm getting? But that is there. I guess then something is different. No, some mistake in the last question. No, I thought maybe the options were from the like carried forward from the last question. No, options are not correct there. Okay, so who like the typist may have made some error in the typing. May have made some error in the typing. So the answer is 10 hours. Answer is 10 hours. Okay, 4 pages an hour, 40 pages. So that will be 10 hours. Very simple logic. Clear everybody? Clear everybody? Absolutely clear this. Absolutely clear. I might have not made any mistake. No, 500 by 50 by 4 is 12 and a half. This is 4. No, I have no mistakes. No mistakes. So 10 hour is your answer. Absolutely clear this. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Vikshit has understood. Perfect. Perfect. Gautam. Perfect. So that was our short class. I told you guys we conduct at 2 o'clock these short classes. So we have been doing this for the past 4 days. So tomorrow we'll have the 1 complete hour of practice session. That will be done in the app. Let me just remind you for those who have just joined us. So we will have 1 practice class tomorrow. 1 practice class tomorrow. Okay, that will be on tomorrow, 17th of January. That will be completely free, but for that you just need to join the app. Okay, so where we'll completely understand or completely practice, solve and understand the shortcuts as well through PYQs. We will complete PYQs as much as possible. So we'll take CGL PYQ, CHSL, CPO, MTS, RRB, NTPC, every PYQ. The good quality PYQs will practice. So we'll do it together. So that is tomorrow at 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. So please, I'll like be there so that we can have a good practice. Okay. So that will be all from my end. And thank you so much for watching. And also all these class PDFs are available on the app. You can also like for each and every class, after each and every class, within 5 minutes, you will get the PDF. Okay. So thank you so much everybody for joining us. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, like in the practice session. Till then, please take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.